Hi everyone, I just thought I would do a quick craft room walk around for you just so that you can see where I'm working, and I'll finish off with doing a quick unboxing of the January hip kit, which I'm super excited to have. So just when I walk in, you'll see there I have my printer, which is an A3 format colour printer, and I have some layouts on the wall. They're quite old layouts, I think I need to refresh those, but I always keep layouts on the wall, which is really good fun. And then of course I have my IKEA unit here, full. Have albums at the top, most of them have tags on to tell you what's in them. On top of there I just have some spare paper scraps and whatnot, and my typewriter just up there. I have stamps, I have papers and cardstock. This one has projects, so mini books that I've made. This one has thickers, lots and lots of thickers. And just some bits and pieces. There's some die cuts and chipboard stickers and things in those boxes there. And then down here, that's my punches and various embellishments and stickers, some mixed media bits and bobs in there. That's my sewing, thread, etc. It says ribbons on the front, there's also ribbons in there. Just some bits and pieces there and there. And then there's some hip kits in there, which are ones that I've already used but just kept together for now. Some card making things and some tools and some art supplies. Can't really see in those boxes. This is my mixed media trolley. So you'll see on top I've got lots of gessos and sprays and paints and a brayer there, glues. And there's some buttons and things in there. And at the bottom I've got some more sprays in there and some foam and vellum and things there for papers. And over here I have my Silhouette Cameo just next to my desk, so because it needs to link to the computer. And this is my desk, so I've got the computer in the corner there, some lights for when I'm videoing layout making, my iPad so I can watch Netflix, of course. That little box there at the back is for putting my kit in that I'm using at the moment, and as I haven't opened my January kit yet, it's empty at this moment in time. And have a big mat there just to protect the desk. This desk was actually made by my husband. The wood, obviously he bought the wood, but he cut it and fixed it in place, and then he put a shelf at the top, and you can see more layouts are up there, along there, and I keep various bits and pieces on the shelf. And then I have this filing unit, which really is just for you know, personal filing things, so bills and bank statements and whatnot. And yeah, so that's that. And then I have just a stack of layouts here, which are the layouts that I've made recently. Lots and lots. Haven't put them away yet, naughty girl, but some of them will be going on the wall soon. So that's it. That's how my craft room looks. So, and that's my view. Very pretty. Nice little village houses out there. Buster, my dog, loves looking out that window. He'll sit for hours and look out there for at nothing. I mean, you know, you can see it's pretty busy here. Not. So that's my craft room. There's the January hip kit in that box on my chair. So I'm just going to switch off. I'll come back in a second and I'll show you what's in there. See you soon. Okay, so first up here with the kit opening, we have, this is the main kit. So we have some die cuts, embellishments from Pink Fresh Studio. You can see on the back there are lots and lots of different things in there. Let me just adjust my light and maybe you'll be able to see that. Lots of things in there, some titles, some flowers, some tags, cute little bicycle, fun, and these tassel bows, which are super cute. So I'll have to find a way to use these on the layout because I think they're really, really sweet. They're just like wool fabric, so nice. These are super shiny and sparkly. Love them. They're from Chamel, Head in the Clouds, and the 5 different colours there. Can't wait to use those. This font is absolutely to die for. I'm loving it so much. Look at that. Nice and thin. Sort of a handwriting font, really nice. It's obviously thick as Fairy Tale. Very nice. These are chipboard stickers from Pink Fresh. Joyful Day. And lots of options with those. They're always good because they have the outer frame and then there are inner frames as well, and then a little embellishment in the middle. So lots of choice there. Then we have these lovely gold puffy stickers from Pink Fresh. They go really well actually with the ones that we had in the December kit, so maybe there'll be some crossover there, which will be great. They're Everyday Musings. And then the papers. So what have we got here? So we've got Pink Fresh Everyday Musings. Fussy cutting is in my future with this one, I can imagine. And then, oh, the back of it's really nice as well, nice and subtle. Then we have this one, Everyday Musings as well. Nice green colour and some dots on the back. Oh, with little words, which is really cute. Everyday Musings, present and perfect, pause this moment. That's cute. This one is Dear Lizzie, New Day. Nice pink colour, that's lovely backgroundy. Oh, this is great. I love this. I love the stripes there. I'm definitely going to be using that. And look at that strip at the bottom, super cute. This is from Pink Fresh Everyday Musings as well, another green. And very nice on the back, just squiggly sort of shapes. Very interesting. See what we can do with that one. Lovely snowflakes. This is very similar. This is a Hip Kit exclusive, and it's similar to the printables that we got this month. So that will go well with that. Oh, and that's lovely on the back. Big Chill. I love that blue. I love those little leaves. That's lovely. I say lovely a lot. Sorry about that. Check out these super cute teacups. I'm an avid tea drinker, so this is going to be perfect for me. I'm definitely seeing a layout from that. Oh, and I love this as well. This is Pink Fresh Studio as well. Everyday Musings. This is really, really cute. This is from Crepe Paper, La La Love. Very nice. I think a bit of fussy cutting there would be cute. And that's really nice. I like just plain papers that don't have too much pattern on. They're really good for backgrounds. And we have another Pink Fresh Everyday Musings. There's a lot of paper in this kit. And this is little birds. Again, that's very similar to the cutouts, the printables that we had that Kim designed. And this the back of this is very cute, very nice. Nice and plain. I love the reverse sides, but the A sides are gorgeous. This is Crepe Paper as well, La La Love. So this is the A side. Very nice floral, and then a dotty blue, which is, I think those spots are sort of a pink colour, not white. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. And then this is also Crepe Paper, hooray. Yay, yay, yay. Bit of fussy cutting again, I think, and that's cute as well on the back, almost a polka dot, but slightly messier. Reminds me of Hundreds and Thousands, which is an English thing, I think, so maybe you don't know that if you're not from England. So let's put that over there. Now we have the cardstock. So these will all coordinate with the kit. We'll just flick through these real quick. We have a nice deep teal colour, 2 of each, a nice bright summery yellow, a pale pink, some whites of course, some coral, and then a bit of sort of purpley lilac colour. Lovely, really nice. Okay, so next up, that's the paper kit, so there's nothing different in there, so we won't look at that one. This one here is the embellishment kit. So let's open this and have a look. Ooh, the tape's got caught. Okay, so we have these great stamps from Chamel, Head in the Clouds. Look at those dotty clouds, they're fantastic. And the butterflies, love it. And let me take these out, some little pins in here. Hooray, Enjoy every moment. Hello 2019. Can you see those? Very cute. Then we have these stickers, layered stickers. They're a heart. Each one has a sentiment on. Happy place, full of joy, life is beautiful, hello, forever, blessed, follow your heart. Fantastic. Puffy stickers from Pink Fresh. Love puffy stickers. You can never have enough. Look at those florals. Another cup, teacups. Time for fun, grow, happy, sunshine on my mind. Very cute. And I'm sorry, but these letters, I've been waiting for these. They are just to die for. I love them so much. Puffy alphas from Pink Fresh. Can't wait to use those. They're so exciting. And these here, we've got some thickers, Celebrate thickers, sort of foamy thickers. Gorgeous, really shiny, great for party layouts. We've got birthday on there, party, hooray. Really sparkly. They've all got glitter on them, except Celebrate and birthday. But they've all the others have glitter. Wonderful. That's that. And then we've got the Project Life kits. How am I ever going to use all of this? So check these out. Jelly bean soup, little pink, like shiny diamante type things, and then gold stars and turquoise snowflakes. Yum yum. And then the Project Life cards. So let's just open those up and see what they are looking like. Ooh. Okay, so we have, just flick through these slowly, quite quickly, not too slowly. Lots of fussy cutting options on there, matching with the papers and the January printables. Look, they all match with those really, really well. Some good choice of colours there. I often use these for matting, so I like to see the colourful ones. Goals, notes from today. They're great. Lots of use from those. And then I have the bigger ones. There we go. Being happy doesn't mean everything will be perfect. It means you've decided to dream for big, impossible things. More colour. That's the pink version of the blue that we had. January. Lovely. Love those. More stamps. Here we go. So this is Heidi's swap. The best day. We've got all the numbers there, all the months. Just lots there to put together and use on a layout. Wonderful. I don't do Project Life, so these all get used on layouts for me. Then we've got Pink Fresh Everyday Musings journaling pockets. Oh, these look cute. Yeah, they're just little pockets that you can tuck something in. So looking forward to using those. These are the, again, Pink Fresh Studio, just stickers, phrase stickers. All good things must come to an end. Focus on the good, just what I needed. There is sunshine in my soul. Wonderful, love those. And then the brilliant small alpha, which I couldn't be without these days. They're great, and they always coordinate with what we have, but they just are so versatile. Great colours there. I have a real collection of those now. So that's that. And then finally we have the colour kits. I've been waiting for this. This is exciting. So, got some modelling paste. Or use modelling paste and texture paste a lot, so that's good. It tops up my my stash with that. And we also then have the 6x6 stencil from Echo Park, which is stars. I can see that being on a nice galaxy black background. That would be really cute. So let's see what we can do with that. And then we have these. Now I'm quite excited to see these. So they're shimmer sprays. They're dry powder at the moment, and it says it's dye-based spray. To activate, simply add tap water to fill the bottle and shake well. So this is really exciting. I'm excited to try these and see what they're like. there's they look like fantastic colours. There's like a wild raspberry, spring dandelion, and fairy pond. Look at that, that's lovely. It's sort of like a bluey, grey blue, really exciting. So I'm very excited to see how those turn out. So that's what I have. Check back to my channel regularly and you will see what I'm making with them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.